I've been thinking about how to invest my money more wisely. I have some savings, and I want to make sure I'm getting a good return on my investment. Do you have any advice?
That's great to hear. The first thing you need to consider is your investment attitude. Are you more conservative or willing to take more risks?
I think I'm more on the conservative side. I don't want to lose my money, but I do want to see it grow over the long term.
In that case, you might want to consider a mix of different investment options in your portfolio. You could invest in a fund that is known for stable returns. These funds usually invest in bonds or blue-chip stocks.
That sounds good. What if I want to commit some of my money to something a bit more aggressive?
If you're willing to commit a portion of your resources to more aggressive investments, you could look into stocks of companies that have high growth potential. Just remember, the more aggressively you invest, the higher the risk.
How do I know when to pull out of an investment?
That's a good question. You need to keep an eye on your investments and be ready to pull out if you see signs of trouble. However, it's often best to focus on the long term and not react too quickly to short-term market fluctuations.
So it's about finding a balance and making sure my portfolio is diversified?
Exactly. Diversification is key. By spreading your resources across different types of investments, you reduce the risk of losing everything. It's also important to review your portfolio regularly to ensure it still aligns with your long-term goals.
I've also heard about mutual funds. Are they a good option?
Mutual funds can be a good option, especially for conservative investors. They allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio managed by professionals. This can be a more wise choice if you're not comfortable selecting individual stocks or bonds.
That sounds like it might be a good fit for me. How much should I start with?
It's really up to you and your financial situation. Some mutual funds have minimum investment requirements, but others are quite flexible. The important thing is to start wisely and not overextend yourself. As you get more comfortable with investing, you can commit more funds.
Thanks for the advice. I feel more confident about how to invest my money now.
You're welcome. Just remember to stay informed and keep a balanced attitude towards your investments. Whether you choose to invest conservatively or aggressively, make sure it's a decision you're comfortable with for the long term.
Ladies and gentlemen, today, I would like to talk about a topic that holds immense significance for anyone looking to secure their financial future: investment. Understanding the nuances of investment is crucial for anyone aiming to grow their wealth wisely and effectively. When we talk about investment, we often think about how to commit our resources in ways that will yield a favorable return. There are various strategies one can adopt, depending on their financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Some investors prefer to take a conservative approach, focusing on stability and steady growth. Others may choose to invest more aggressively, seeking higher returns even if it means taking on more risk. An essential part of any investment strategy is having the right attitude. Whether you are conservative or aggressive, it's vital to maintain a clear vision of your long-term goals. This perspective helps in making informed decisions and avoiding the temptation to pull out of investments during market fluctuations. Remember, investment is not just about making money quickly. It's about growing your wealth sustainably over time. One of the fundamental steps in investing wisely is diversification. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can mitigate risks and enhance potential returns. Building a diversified portfolio requires careful planning and a thorough understanding of various investment vehicles. For instance, mutual funds offer an excellent way to diversify since they pool money from many investors to invest in a diversified set of securities. To commit to an investment plan, it's crucial to allocate your resources efficiently. Assessing your financial situation, understanding your risk tolerance, and defining your financial goals are key steps in this process. Whether you choose to invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds, make sure you have a clear strategy and stick to it. Consistency is often the key to achieving long-term success in investing. Moreover, it's essential to monitor and review your portfolio regularly. Market conditions and personal circumstances can change, requiring adjustments to your investment strategy. Staying informed and being adaptable will help ensure that your investments continue to align with your long-term goals. One of the most significant advantages of investing is the power of compounding. When you invest wisely and allow your investments to grow over time, the returns you earn start generating their own returns. This compounding effect can substantially increase your wealth if you remain patient and committed. However, it's important to be aware of the risks involved in investing. No investment is entirely risk-free, and it's possible to lose money. Hence, having a conservative portion of your portfolio can provide a buffer against market volatility. Balancing risk and reward is a skill that every investor must develop to achieve long-term financial security. In conclusion, investing is a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving financial independence. By approaching it with the right attitude, committing your resources wisely, and maintaining a diversified portfolio, you can maximize your chances of success. Whether you choose to invest aggressively or take a more conservative route, the key is to stay focused on your long-term objectives and make informed decisions. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you all the best in your investment journeys.